Hello and welcome back to the channel. For this video tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to use the object snap tracking. This tool has been asked a few times of how to use this and explain it, so here we go. The object snap tracking tool is found at the bottom of our screen here, and it looks like a greater than less than sign, and of course when it is not turned blue it is off, but if we just right click, left click it and go ahead and turn it on, it would turn blue. The shortcut to retrieving and turning this tool on and off is simply to press F11. This tool will help us find precise points to draw to, where we can track our lines and even snap to points where they intersect. So let's take a look. If I use my simple line command here and I want to draft me a rectangle, and I'm just freely drafting, not putting in any particular measurements, but let's say I want to make sure that the top here is even. I would just bring and drag my mouse over to that endpoint and then go ahead and bring it back across, and it shows me with this green X where my mark is, or my point. So now I have created myself an even rectangle. The same can be done even when we get ready to maybe put something in the middle of this rectangle. Let's say I wanted to put a circle right in the center here. Having that object snap tracking turned on, I can go to my circle command and go to the midpoint of the top line here and drag over to the midpoint of the line to either side and drag my mouse across, and X will mark the spot where my center is of this shape. Go ahead, left click and drag my circle. And if I want to do this again, because I have that polar tracking on, but also I have another tool that is on in my object snaps, I'm going to have the center mark of my circle turned on. I can hover over the quadrant, find the center of my circle here, left click and draft another circle in the center. If I wanted to even create a line through, I can go right to the center, again that tracking is on, and drag my line to the end point and press enter. So this here demonstrates how to use your object snap tracking to help find precise points, track your lines, and even snap points to where they intersect. Thanks for watching.